Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the wild world of nature to uncover some of the weirdest animals you've probably never seen before. From the depths of the ocean to the heart of the rainforest, our planet is teeming with creatures that seem straight out of a science fiction novel. Prepare to be amazed by the bizarre adaptations, peculiar appearances, and unique behaviors that make these animals so extraordinary. So join me as we embark on a journey to discover the weird and wonderful, the strange and the surprising in the animal kingdom. Our first encounter takes us to the ancient waterways of Mexico, where we meet a creature seemingly frozen in time. This is the axolotl, a salamander that retains its juvenile features throughout its life. While most salamanders lose their gills and adapt to life on land, the axolotl remains forever in its larval stage, a testament to the remarkable plasticity of evolution. Its feathery gills, framing a perpetually smiling face, allow it to breathe underwater. This amphibian possesses an astonishing ability to regenerate lost limbs, spinal cord, even parts of its heart and brain. Living in a world of murky canals and lakes, the axolotl relies on its keen senses to navigate its environment and locate prey. Sadly, habitat loss and pollution threaten the survival of this extraordinary creature. Our journey now takes us to the island of Madagascar, home to a creature as elusive as it is unusual. This is the ii, a lemur shrouded in legend and superstition. With its large, luminous eyes, bat-like ears, and a peculiar, bony middle finger, the ii has long been considered a harbinger of bad luck by local communities. But beneath its somewhat unsettling appearance lies a fascinating creature with a unique set of adaptations. The ii is a nocturnal primate emerging under the covers of darkness to forage for food. Using a technique known as percussive foraging, the ii taps on trees, listening for the telltale sounds of grubs and insects hiding within. This specialized feeding strategy makes the ii a crucial part of the forest ecosystem, controlling insect populations and ensuring the health of the trees. We now descend into the cold, dark depths of the ocean, where pressures are immense and sunlight barely penetrates. It is here in this alien world that we encounter a creature often dubbed the world's ugliest animal, the blobfish. Brought up from the depths, the blobfish appears as a gelatinous, almost featureless blob. But this seemingly unfortunate appearance is a result of its adaptation to a life under extreme pressure. Unlike most fish, which have bony skeletons, the blobfish's body is primarily composed of gelatinous flesh, allowing it to withstand the crushing pressure of the deep sea. In its natural habitat, the blobfish is a master of energy conservation. The blobfish's unusual appearance, far from being a flaw, is a testament to the incredible power of evolution to shape life in even the most extreme environments. Our journey now takes us back to land, to the subterranean world of the star-nosed mole. This small, burrowing mammal is a marvel of sensory adaptation, equipped with one of the most extraordinary noses in the animal kingdom. At first glance, the star-nosed mole appears like any other mole, with its velvety fur and powerful digging claws. But look closer, and you'll discover its most distinguishing feature: a ring of 22 fleshy tentacles surrounding its nostrils. These tentacles, far from being decorative, are highly sensitive sensory organs. Packed with thousands of tiny sensory receptors called Imer's organs, they allow the star-nosed mole to see its environment in complete darkness. In a fraction of a second, the mole can identify, capture, and consume its prey, making it one of the fastest eaters in the animal kingdom. Our journey takes us now to the vast, windswept steppes of Central Asia, where we encounter a creature that seems to have stepped out of a prehistoric past. This is the saiga antelope, an ancient nomad with a face that is both comical and tragic. The saiga's most striking feature is its large, bulbous nose, resembling an oversized trunk. This unusual appendage serves a vital purpose, filtering out dust and warming the frigid air during their long migrations across the steppes. For centuries, saiga antelope roamed these grasslands in vast herds. Their numbers are testament to their resilience. But in recent decades, their populations have plummeted due to habitat loss, poaching, and disease. Conservation efforts are underway to protect this ancient nomad, to ensure that its distinctive snort continues to echo across the steppes for generations to come. we dive back into the ocean, this time to the temperate waters off the coast of Australia, where we encounter a creature that seems to have sprung from a fairy tale. This is the leafy sea dragon, a master of disguise that blends seamlessly with its kelp forest home. Related to the seahorse, the leafy sea dragon takes camouflage to a whole new level. Its body is adorned with long flowing appendages that mimic the swaying fronds of seaweed. These leafy extensions provide the sea dragon with exceptional camouflage, allowing it to disappear amongst the kelp, almost invisible to predators and prey alike. Like its seahorse relatives, it is the male sea dragon that carries the eggs. The female deposits her eggs onto a special brood patch on the underside of the male's tail, where he cares for them until they hatch. Our journey now takes us to the arid plains of central Argentina, where we encounter the smallest and arguably the cutest armadillo species, the pink fairy armadillo. This diminutive creature, barely larger than a hamster, is a testament to the diversity of the armadillo family. Its pale pink shell, a stark contrast to the dusty landscape, covers its back like a protective shield. The pink fairy armadillo is a master burrower, using its powerful claws to dig through the sandy soil with remarkable speed. It spends most of its life underground, emerging only occasionally to forage for insects, worms, and plant matter. Its small size and subterranean lifestyle make the pink fairy armadillo a challenge to study, and much about its behavior remains a mystery. We descend once more into the abyssal depths of the ocean, a world of perpetual darkness and extreme pressure. Here, in this alien landscape, we encounter a creature that seems to defy the harsh conditions, the Dumbo octopus. Named after the beloved Disney character, the Dumbo octopus is a deep-sea cephalopod with a whimsical appearance. Its most distinguishing feature is a pair of ear-like fins that protrude from its mantle, resembling the oversized ears of its namesake. The Dumbo octopus uses them to propel itself through the water, flapping them gracefully like a pair of underwater wings. This unique mode of locomotion allows it to fly through the water column, searching for prey and evading predators. Our exploration of the deep sea continues, taking us to hydrothermal vents, underwater geysers that spew forth superheated, mineral-rich water. It is here, in this seemingly inhospitable environment, that we encounter the yeti crab. This unusual crustacean gets its name from its hairy claws, which resemble the mythical yeti of the Himalayas. The yeti crab uses its bristly claws to cultivate bacteria, its primary source of food. The bacteria thrive in the chemically rich environment of the hydrothermal vents. The yeti crab, in a remarkable display of symbiosis, farms these bacteria, waving its claws through the vent fluids to ensure a steady supply of nutrients. Our final encounter takes us back to the depths of the ocean, where we encounter a creature that seems to have emerged from the pages of a prehistoric bestiary. This is the goblin shark, a rare and elusive species often referred to as a living fossil. The goblin shark is a creature of the deep, rarely seen near the surface. Its most striking feature is its elongated, flattened snout, which protrudes like a blade from its head. When prey approaches, the goblin shark can extend its jaws with lightning speed, snapping up its victim with incredible force. This unique feeding mechanism, combined with its eerie appearance, has earned the goblin shark a reputation as a fearsome predator. Despite its intimidating looks, the goblin shark is a fascinating example of evolutionary adaptation, a creature perfectly suited to its deep-sea environment. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content. See you next time. From the bizarre axolotl to the elusive goblin shark, the natural world never ceases to amaze. Each of these creatures, no matter how strange or wonderful, plays a vital role in the delicate balance of life on Earth. Until next time, keep exploring the extraordinary world around us.